Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to get rid of Google Photos. Firstly, we should turn off the backup, so open Google Photos application, then click at your profile at the right top, click at the second line with the backup, and let's turn off the backup. Here we go. After that, press and hold at your application icon. If you have Android, you need to click App Information. If you have iOS, you will see the button Remove. So remove the application, but on Android we need to go to the information. In the storage and cache, you can clean the cache, you can clean the storage, and then click at the fourth tab and disable app. Because I have right here a stock Android, and on stock Android I cannot remove this application, so only I can stop it. But if you have another Android device, on some devices you can, let's say on Samsung, you can remove this application, and on iPhone you can do this also. On stock Android it doesn't work without Google services. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.